Alright, Jim. There's your truck. Of course, here's the auto lights I put in it. Just the flip of a switch. It's a great truck. Now, show you the radio that I put in it and what the functions are. A regular Earth Digger radio. I gotta do this so it doesn't cover the truck up. Alright. That little switch right there is your lights. Up is on, of course, and they stay on until you turn them off. This is nothing. This is nothing. None of these three are anything, just this one. This is your differential locker. Pull it back to lock it. And I'll show you that later. I'll get it stuck on purpose and then show you how well it works. The rest of these switches and this dial mean nothing. Only this one and that one. This is your forward, reverse, left, right steering. Steering, forward, reverse, horn, sound, and I wanted you to see that I preset and adjusted the endpoint so when you go to dump, you can push that lever all the way forward and it won't blow. Now you do have to let go when it's at the top. If you hold it, it will blow something. And you pull it all the way back to bring it down. I slowed it down so it doesn't blow oil out. So it's a controlled controlled return. When it's all the way up, let off. So it's ready to go. I haven't heard back from Mike at all about making it an 8x8. But I'll show you the diff lock real quick. Right there, it seems to be stuck. Pull the diff lock, and it goes right on up. Release the diff lock and it will go back unlocked. Pull the diff lock. Well, I got it stuck on the differential there. Okay. Pull the diff lock and it'll pull it right over it. So you wouldn't really need 8x8 if you know, he doesn't want to do it or it's not actually compatible. I think it is, but I don't know. You wouldn't have to have it because, like I say, this diff lock does work. Although it's not going to get you out of every situation, but will get you out of most. So all the functions on this truck work real well now. I hope that was good enough. You could see the radio very hard to hold the radio and not block the view of the truck and show you the levers. Like I say, I'll go over it real quick again. Reverse, forward, left, right steering. The lights, dump, bed up, bed down, and you can pull the lever all the way. You don't have to worry about it, but let go when it's at the top. Horn, sound off, and that is your differential lock. So hopefully you got it. I'll call you as well and direct you to this video. Thanks.